Myths of mindfulness. Now, there are some myths about mindfulness, so let's set the record straight. Number 1. Mindfulness means I have to dress a certain way. Not at all. Mindfulness is an approach to how we experience our thoughts and appreciating the connection that has to action. Prayer beads are completely optional. Number 2. Mindfulness is when you're pretty much like Buddha. No. You can be mindful and still get angry. To be mindful is not to deny yourself your emotional spectrum, but rather to create a greater understanding of emotion and be able to control your emotions instead of having your emotions control you. Number 3. Mindfulness is for hippies. A mindfulness practice, like yoga pants, are for anyone who wants them.